All right, folks. Hey, so far, man, we've done a lot when it comes to creating sales funnels, setting up autoresponders, doing a little bit of promotion. Hey, guys, I'm telling you, we're definitely in the right place to really get you to the next level. So what we're going to do in this video here is since we actually, at this point, if you're watching this video, you should have already created your sales funnel for your primary business opportunity. You should already have that. Right, you should already have your autoresponder integrated with it and everything. So you should be pretty proficient in terms of setting that up based off of all the information I shared with you in the previous video. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to set up a sales funnel for your My Lead System Pro membership in terms of generating leads, even referrals into the My Lead System Pro system. So remember, MLSP is really a lead bait generator, so it helps you to generate a lot of leads. Not just leads for people for your primary business, but leads from everywhere. You know, leads from people that are even in other businesses. You know, people are typically struggling when it comes to marketing, right? So you can be able to help build your list, not just from people that might be interested in your business, but people that you can help. Because if you're helping a lot of people, people will become attracted to you. And even a lot of them will want to know what you're doing, even now and even in the future. Okay. So it's all about building relationships. So what we're going to do now is create a sales funnel for your MLSP, for your MLSP part of your business, I guess you can say. So what we're going to do first is let's go ahead and log in. And let me get logged in here really quick. And we're going to create another funnel. Now I'm going to run through this one a little bit faster than the other one, but I'm going to go over every step. But you should have all, because really it's really the same process, okay, minus a few little differences in terms of what we're trying to do. But for the most part, in terms of the creation, it's really the same. So what I want to do is actually go here to my websites, go to MLSP Funnelizer. And when I go there, I want to click on this little button right here, a little checkbox, and I want to click on Launch MLSP Funnelizer. Okay, and when I launch that, it should bring up all my different pages that I currently have. But remember, we're creating or attempting to create a brand new one, a new one for MLSP. We got one for our primary business. Now we need one for our MLSP business, I guess you can say, in terms of getting more referrals and leads, okay, that we can use for future marketing, okay? So what we're going to need to do, just like the last one, you come up here, click on Create Funnel. So we do that, and what we're going to do, we're going to give it a name, just like, remember, like the last time, I'm just going to give it a generic name here. I'm just going to call it MLSP Leads Funnel. I like that, okay? And we're just going to give it a slug name, MLSP. We'll just say MLSP funnel like that. We'll do that. Okay, makes sense. So I got that set. Now all I have to do is click on Create My Funnel. So I'm going to create the funnel. And now I just got to choose what template I want to use. Now the one we did before, we used this one right here. Remember that one? We did this one. But remember, we changed the picture and everything in that background. So we didn't use a little beach picture here. We changed it up some. But on this one here, and again, there's a lot. So make sure you get a chance to kind of preview all these guys. They got some really good funnels here. I mean, I don't care what you're marketing. You can definitely do some damage with these funnels, I'm telling you. So if you look over here to the far left at the top, the background image option, just a basic one. We're going to use this one right here. I'm going to preview it here for you. We're just going to use this one. But again, hey, I'm all about putting my own picture on my funnels. I'm sorry. Hey, you want to put your own pictures on your funnel, right? So let me close that out. And we're going to choose this. So use this template. Gave me the little check. And I'm just going to call it here MLSP Leads Funnel. It's asking me about the page, what I want to call this page that I'm creating. And we'll just say page 1 right there. And here we'll put MLSP Funnel 1 as well. No spaces on that one. And then we'll click on Save, Page, and Edit. Okay. So remember, you can pretty much type whatever you want here, but right here you can't have any spaces or anything like that because it's all part of the URL or website address. Okay. So save page and edit. So if I click on that, it's gonna load up here. Give it a second. It's creating the funnel, and there it is. So there's the funnel. So first thing that I'm gonna do really quick is I don't need the footer. I don't need the copyright piece there. So I'm gonna come over here. Remember on the page contents here, you can kind of move things around or what have you. Matter of fact, you can even click these drop downs here, and you can kind of get more options there. So, but I don't need the footer, so I'm just gonna, you know, click that off so the footer won't be on there. I don't know if I need a sub headline just yet, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this in here, and I'm gonna change it. And I'm gonna put, see how I'm sucking, hold on. See how I'm sucking leads out of Facebook like a giant Dyson vacuum cleaner. See how I'm sucking leads out of Facebook like a giant Dyson vacuum cleaner using this Facebook marketing cheat sheet. ... Okay. I guess I'll use a sub headline. I'll say opt in to get your free copy. I'll put download like that. Opt in to download your free copy. I like that. And again, I'm trying to be different. All right. See how I'm sucking leads out of Facebook like a giant Dyson vacuum cleaner using this FB marketing cheat sheet. Boom. Really, really simple. Okay. So what I need to do now, I'm gonna change the image. Now remember in the last few videos I went over, I showed you how to upload your image. So I'm not gonna go over that in this one, but remember I can actually do that by clicking on here where it says background image right here, which I want to use. I just click that, and right there to the right, something changed. So I'll come right over here, and where it says image, do I want to use the default image? No, I do not want to use the default image. I want to use my own image, right? So I click on change image, and I've got one that I want to use here that I want to select that I've already uploaded. Remember, I showed you how to do that in the one video. So I just selected that one, right? So there it is, okay? So I want to save. Let me go ahead and save all my changes. I don't want to lose anything there, okay? So we got that saved. So see how I'm sucking leads out of Facebook like a giant Dyson vacuum cleaner using this Facebook marketing cheat sheet. Now, if I had thought about it, I probably would have taken a picture of me vacuuming the floor here and used that image for this particular sales funnel. That would have been hot. So it's kind of giving you an idea, right? So, and again, you can use any kind of sales copy that you see in this course. I'm here as to guide you, inspire you, whatever. So whatever you see, you can definitely use it, okay? So if you want to use that, fine, go right ahead. If you have pictures you want to use those pictures. But to really could have made that really hot if I had an image of me actually pushing my vacuum cleaner. And it'd been really awesome if it was a Dyson one, right? Or Hoover or whatever, right? Shark, you know, there's all kinds of different vacuum cleaners out there that are big. So, but anyway, so let me see here. Let me in. I don't know if I like that. I would probably change that. So I click that, and I think I'm gonna put let me see. Let me see it. I'll put that. Okay. All right. So just something different. Again, just trying to be different, right? Not trying to be like everybody else. Want to be different. That's how you win, is when you're different. Not like when you're doing the exact same thing that everybody's doing. Let me save it. Okay, so let me make sure I got everything. We got the image. We got the sales copy done. One, we need to integrate our autoresponder. So we need to figure out, okay, which campaign do I want to use? Well, since this one's more about just helping people to become more successful in their business as well, and we're offering them free training or free tools. We're looking to connect that campaign that we created for Get Response for MLSP leads. So remember, we did one for our primary business, and we did one also for our MLSP leads. Okay. So what we need to do is right here in this field, just go ahead and click in there. Okay. And when you click that, just scroll down over here to where it says edit integrations. Okay. So when you click on edit integrations, what we want to do, remember, we're using Get Response, or use whichever one you're using. But in this example, we're using Get Response. So I'm going to click on Get Response. It's saying select an integration point. Remember this? So, but the integration point is really just a campaign name. That's all it is. So for me, I called that, let me see, I called it My Biz Leads Now. That's what I called it. Okay. Let's see here. Matter of fact, let me just double check. So if I go to Get Response, again, you might only have maybe one or two, or at least two in there. You should at least have two in there right now. So if I go ahead and put Get Response, let me just double check something really quick. And I click on, well, give it a second. It has to, give it a sec. Okay, messages. Hold on here. Computer's like running slow. Okay, manage autoresponders. And what I'm looking for the leads that were for my Lead System Pro leads. Okay, looking for the emails that was for my Lead System Pro leads. So remember this campaign. This is the one that we did for our primary business. If you come up here, you can change it. So I don't want that one. I believe it's this one, because I actually gave it a different name. So My Biz Leads Now. I think that's it. So if yep, that's it. Yep. My Biz Leads Now. That's it. Okay, it's about 17 emails there. So what I want to do is come back to my funnelizer, and I want to click on My Biz Leads Now and add that. Add new integration. Boom. Voila, done. It's connected because it shows it right here. Close. Hit save. I'm going to go ahead and publish it as well. Okay. Boom. See how quick that was? It really, and it could have been even shorter. I'm explaining as well, but you see how quick that can really be. So that's pretty much it on that aspect. So now all that's left is really setting up to tell the system when someone opts in here. Well, we already know, we just integrated the autoresponder, so we know they're going to get the actual emails, right? So they're going to get email today. They're going to get a series of emails over a significant amount of time, right? So we got that set. That's already set. But what we need to tell the system is, where do we want to send them after they opt in? So when they opt in, they hit let me see it. What page do you want them to land on? Well, since in the copy here it says, see how I'm sucking leads out of Facebook like a giant Dyson vacuum cleaner using this Facebook marketing cheat sheet. So I'm being very specific on what I'm doing and what they're about to see. Okay. And I got here, opt in to download your free copy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into MLSP. And what we're going to do, remember that Facebook cheat sheet campaign? That's the one that I want them to land on. Let me show you this here really quick. I'm going to menu, log in, and it can be really whatever, guys. Again, I'm just giving you an example of how you can kind of use a lot of these different campaigns. So if I go to my websites, go to MLSP campaigns, and then I'm looking for that Facebook cheat sheet one. There it is right there, Facebook cheat sheet giveaway. Where did I go? I went to my websites, MLSP campaigns, right? pulled up this information here, all my different campaigns, mastery and university. I'm looking for the FB cheat sheet giveaway. So, but what I want to do, I don't want them to go right back to another opt-in page. I want them to go specifically to the information. So remember, if I click on this, this shows you what the actual opt-in page looks like. Well, I don't want them to have to opt in again. They have to opt in twice. I don't want them to have to do that. So what I want them to do is I'm going to close that out, and I'm going to click on this icon here, because this icon is going to give me the actual thank you page link. So like if I click on this and right click and go to that page, this is the link that they actually see. This is the one that I want them to land on, because it's going to show a video here. They'll be able to download the actual PDF file for the Facebook cheat sheet, you know, and even enroll into MLSP if they want to join MLSP as well. But they're going to see some additional information in the video that's actually trying to load right now. Okay, that makes sense. And the only reason it's taking a while because my computer's like running like crazy slow. Okay, so there it is right there. So I'm gonna close that out. And so, but what I want to do, I want to copy this link right here, my thank you page link for that campaign, and check out what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that information right here. Remember this in the last video? So so the action I want them to go to a particular website address, and I'm going to paste it right in here. That's it. I just pasted it. Okay. I got the http:// in front of it. So everything looks good. I'm going to save it. I'm going to publish it. Okay. So boom. So far, I think everything looks good. Everything looks good to me. Okay. Everything looks good. Very basic. Again, there's other options and all that. But again, I'm just trying to keep it simple. Just trying to get you going. Okay. It's the main thing I'm trying to do now. Right. So everything looks good there. So what I got to do now, I got to go ahead and make the actual link live. Okay. So if I go back to Funnelizer, okay, and the name of this is a MLSP leads funnel. So what I'm going to do here, let me see, it's not live yet because I don't see it in my active funnel list yet. Not just yet, but it's about to be. I'm going to go to page 2. See, I got a lot of them here, guys. So apologize for that, but there it is. Okay, MLSP leads funnel right there. Okay. So, matter of fact, let me just double check something. Okay, yeah. So it's number page 2. There it is, the last one. Click on that. Click on edit. When you do that, it's going to come up to the variation page. Remember this? So remember, see, it's already been, it's paused. The only reason it's in that mode because you just created it. But I need to make it go live. I need to make this link go live. So remember, just a recap. So if I go to this link right now, let me go to a page. I just copy that. So if I try to go to that link now, it's going to give me this little funky message right here. See that? Doesn't exist. It said it can't be, the internet can't find it because it's not live yet. So what I have to do is change it from this mode and put it in start mode. Okay. Now it's in start mode, and then I'll just come over here and hit publish funnel. Now, check this out. Now, if I come up here and I paste that in, paste that link right back there, and I hit enter, there it is. See that? So now the link works. That's it. Okay. So we got it set up. All right. So we're good. So now let's just test it really quick. Again, remember, anytime you create something, test it. Make sure it works. Don't just assume that it's working. Okay. Typically, I always say use an email that you know of, so you can go into the email and see if you're getting the messages and all that good stuff as well. Put your own email in there. Just test it out. Okay. Make sure that everything is working perfectly. So I'm just going to put, let's say John Doe 2245 at gmail.com. Okay. So now remember what we just did now. So I told Funnelizer, if anybody comes here and puts in their information and they click, let me see it, I want them to automatically be redirected to the Facebook cheat sheet page where they can actually download and also watch that really cool MLSP video. Okay. See that? So let's see what happens. So I'm going to click on let me see it. Got my email in there. Enter. Boom. There it is. It worked. Right? So again, there's the video. Again, my computer's running like slow. So, but there it is. There's the page. Right? And they can sign up for a mastery membership with My Lead System Pro. They can watch this cool little video here. They can download. Let me pause that. They can download the actual PDF file for the PDF Facebook cheat sheet, which is really cool. Really good value there. So guys, that's pretty much it. Really, really simple. That's how you set it up. It can't get any simpler than that. Let me pull it back up again. That's how you set up your funnels, guys. And you can set up as many, just set up a lot of them. I mean, for different things. Of course, kind of play around with the back office when you get a chance to. So for now, really quick, what you need to do is go ahead and create your My Lead System Pro lead funnel. Now you can actually, have it go to some other place, some other different campaign that you're choosing. You don't have to use just that. If you want to use just that, what I just wrote perfectly, go right ahead. I just want to get you guys in that practice of doing what the six-figure earners online are doing. Okay, you got to understand how this stuff works. And I just pretty much just showed you what to do. So all you got to do is just copy it and follow the instructions. So go back, pause, play, rewind, fast forward, whatever you got to do to go ahead and create. So by the end of these tasks, you should have 2 sales funnels. Okay. And so next on the next video, I'm going to show you a few additional things here. We got a few more videos to go over. But if you've done this so far, congratulations, guys. Hey, you're definitely on the right track. Okay. So with that said, guys, hey, we'll see you on the next video. Hey, get those funnels out the way, get them all plugged in, check them out, test them, make sure that they work, make sure you did everything correctly. Use the videos to confirm. If you got any questions, let me know. But hey, guys, hey, we'll see you on the next video.